Karen Bryant for MMA Heat. I'm here with the victorious Rick Story. You pulled it off tonight. You called him out and you did it. How do you feel about your performance?
You know, I felt that the performance I put on was definitely good enough for the win. You know, there was like a couple low points in the fight where I was holding on to a leg, but you know, that was part of the game plan, to wear him down, hold him up against the fence, control him, keep him backing up, and stay in his face just to wear him down. And you know, it ended up working out decent.
Now I see that you have some hair in your chin. Is there granite underneath there? Because Thiago definitely landed a few things and you hung in there.
Yeah, you know, I mean, I'm not proud of being able to take shots, just for the record, but I don't know. I can take some pretty hard shots. My teeth went through my mouthpiece in that knee, and that's never happened before. So.
Yeah, I was going to say, how was that round 3 for you after the knee, and did you feel that that was a round that went to him?
Yeah, he did. He definitely did the most damage in the last round. He landed the most strikes, and but you know, I was throwing back and I was hitting him pretty good too. Let me see, what was the second part of that question?
No, just that, yeah, you figured that he had won that round, but that you figured you would have gotten the first 2.
Oh yeah, and the knee, you know, it hit pretty hard, but that one really didn't faze me. He hit me with a hook that landed behind my ear that kind of wobbled me the most, but I mean, that was the worst, was the hook. The knee, you know, it didn't really faze me too much.
Now, you've mentioned that you would like to fight John Fitch, and that's because of his position in the standing, or is that because you also think stylistically that's something you can take?
Well, I mean, both. You know, rankings, everything. I want to do what I have to do to get up to that title shot, and I want to fight whoever I need to fight to get up to that title shot. So stylistically, yeah, it'd be a good matchup. And it doesn't really matter how styles match up now, because fighting the top guys in the world, you know, you're gonna have to fight them anyway.
So you're in Vegas. What are you gonna go do to celebrate?
I'm gonna go to Studio 54 and hang out there.
Nice. Well, congratulations. Great win.
All right, thank you.
Great job.